Hey, it's Beetle J, and Beetle J has a Beetle Day every day. And one thing that's great about the internet is that any idiot can post their opinion, including myself. Anyways, there's, I guess, an anti-Beatle blog out there, and it's called "The Beatles Will Burn in Hell for All Eternity," and it's a born again blog. And apparently John Lennon is burning in hell right now because in 1966 he said that the Beatles would be or are bigger than Jesus Christ. And the same with George. He's there too because he practiced Hinduism. And Paul and Ringo will be joining the other Fab players soon. Now, I do not know what's coming in the afterlife. I do believe there's a higher power, and I just I think God is probably more loving than we think, and I find it unbelievable that anybody thinks that they have the answer, and personally, I think you can find your path to enlightenment through various means, and I don't think anybody has the answer. And for anybody to say that they do, they're full of shit. The Beatles, as far as I'm concerned, brought a lot of joy into this world, and there's not enough of that. And so I'm of the belief that John and George are up here rather than down there.